Vatsana. She is from Rataiya Primary School. And introduce about yourself and your topic. Your thoughts, my thoughts.
Can I start?
Yeah.
Myself, Prakasna Kavita. I come from the Rataya Primary School, and it's my great pleasure I get a chance to represent my model in front of you. And I'm comfortable with both the language, English and Gujarati. So first of all, I thanks to all IPR team and IPR who give me a chance. And my model name is DGHD Microscope. Before I explain my model, I would like to share one matter. Before state level science fair, my model was selected, which was in a Bhuj, and in an innovation fair at a district level, it's selected. Now I explain about this. First, I tell you my motto. My motto is whatever I prepared, I want maximum people know the concept of my model. Okay, how it is different, because I given the name DGHD microscope. We all know about this, our regular microscope which we are using in our classroom. Right? How it is different from that. So in a minimum cost we prepared also from the west, out of best you can say also, because I used here acrylic sheet, this white color, if you can see that, and back side is the CD drive west, you can see here. Now this CD drive I use to up and down the camera. Here is the one part is given, which is the box. Right, in this box, you can say box is the brain of this model, because in this one I use web camera, and inside the box is a CMOS circuit is there. This CMOS circuit work connected with this USB cable, and this USB cable you can connect your device, is a mobile, computer, laptop, projector, whatever you want. Now I explain how it's the work. Here is the okay. Here is the whatever you want to see. You can put exit down to the camera. You can adjust from the back side from your CD drive. Now you adjust the picture, and you can see that the camera captures the picture, and it's a CMOS circuit which convert into that is a binary 0 1, which is the computer language everybody knows. So then resolutions picture shown on your laptop or in your screen. Now this picture is the 10 times more than your regular microscopes. Now how it is different? In our microscope, did you know we can snatch the photos, or we can record the videos? But in this microscope you can snatch the photos, you can record, and you can shows the with the you can naming the picture also, or you can naming the slides parts also. And with the help of this microscope you can save your time also. How it is, because when we shows the slide, at that time one by one students come and we shows, and at that time maybe it's a possible minor is the slightly is the slides is the most, then maybe it happen, okay, students can't able to see. But here in the screen you can see that the pictures, then we also clarify yes, whatever the students is seeing that picture is properly or not. And again, if you have to laser light, then you can show the parts also. So they have that is a very clear from that, okay, this is the nucleus, or this is a cell membrane, or a vacuole, or whatever the parts you want to show it. Now time saving I told, okay, this is the different from that is time saving, because whole the mass, it means whole the class, if it is a 60, 70 or whatever, that you can show at a time. So this is my model in which I shown that is the 3 to 4 features is the very different from our the regular microscope. First is the minimum cost, of course we have to see that. Second is that you can save your time, because in our regular microscope one by one, and here you can show that is all the class. Second, now third one is that you can show the parts. because in a regular microscope you are not able to show point out the parts. Before you can show in a screen, then after you told to students, okay, you just see in this one. And the third part, resolution is more than your regular one. So this is my DGHD microscope which I have prepared at my school level, and I hope everybody got it, and maybe you use it at your school. Thank you.
मैडम इसमें ये ऑप्टिकल वाला पार्ट है, ये कहाँ से लिया आपने? ये नहीं, जो बेसिकली जो कैमरा पिक्चर दे रही है उसे नॉर्मल कैमरा नहीं आप ऐसे
No, no, no. CD drive.
तो सब की जगह में ऑप्टिक्स वाले में
Okay. वेब कैमरा एंड वेब कैमरा की CMOS सर्किट है सर. हाँ, उसके साथ हमने ये जो USB ये केबल जो हमारा एजुजर उसके साथ है, ये हमने आपको पता हो तो हम अगर दूसरे अगर कोई भी हमारे रिलेटिव है उसके साथ हमें बात करनी है तो उसके साथ हमें.
तो मैं क्वेश्चन ये है कि वो ये हाउ इट इज एबल टू सी माइक्रो मतलब इतने हाई रेजोल्यूशन में कैसे देख पा रहे हो?
ओके ओके ओके, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन योर वेब कैमरा. इट्स अगर आप ज़्यादा रिजोल्यूशन वाला वेब कैमरा लेंगे तो उसमें भी वो आपको इससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा सा रिजोल्यूशन दिख सकता है. ये वेब कैमरा के हिसाब से.
ऑप्टिकल जूम जो बोलते हैं ना,
how you are amplifying the signal,
माइक्रोन साइज की चीजें कैसे
कैसे आप एम्पलीफाई करके बच्चों को दिखा रहे हो, वो कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन से बताना पड़ेगा. ये जो आपका वो कैमरा है, हाँ हाउ हाँ हाँ
हाँ सर, इसका जो मेन जो एम जो है ना, जिसको हम सिद्धांत बोलेंगे, राइट, वो इसको कॉनकेव लेंस के हिसाब से कि जो बड़ी जो चीज़ जो है क्योंकि उसके भी आपको फोकल लेंथ पे जाना पड़ेगा कि भी आप इतनी डिस्टेंस पर रखेंगे तो ये आपको ऐसी दिखाई देगी. तो ये अपना वर्क जो है ना, रिफ्लेक्शंस ऑन द लेंस, उसके हिसाब से उसके एम पर ये वर्क करता है.
नहीं नहीं, लेकिन इसमें लेंस कहाँ है?
एम्पलीफिकेशन कैसे
आगे वाला लेंस आपने लगाया है, वो लेंस लगाया है.
वो लेंस समझ गया हम.
हाँ लेंस लगाया, वो लेंस का फोकल लेंथ पे वो सेंसर होगा ना.
हाँ सर, हाँ सर,
पूरा सेंसर होगा.
सर देखा लो नहीं क्या राजीव जी, देखा आप पर देखा.
मतलब वो आपने बनाया, मैं वही जानना चाहता हूँ.
हाँ सर,
है ना, वो तो समझ में आ
नॉर्मल जो
गया.
कैमरा आता है उसमें तो हाई रेजोल्यूशन
वही पूरे आंसर है.
ठीक है.
हाँ
आपको जो मतलब सेल देखना है तो एक माइक्रोन साइज के लिए
ऐसा जो दिखा
सर, हमारा जो
छोटी वस्तु है वो
Amplify करेगा.
चेंज कर देगा. इसी तरह ही वेब कैमरा का काम है.